This is what we did in science on October 6th, 2020. We first started talking about living and non living things. Living things need four basic principles to survive: food, water, air, and space. Food, water, air, and space. That's food, water, air, and space. Food, water, air, and space, and they also can reproduce. And I said that this puppy is an example of a living thing. It needs food, it needs water, it needs air, and it needs space to survive. If it doesn't have any of those or even one of those, it cannot survive. This table, on the other hand, is a non living thing. It can survive without food or water or air and space, and it can't reproduce. And that is an example of a non living thing. And then we read pages, and we also discussed all of those different features on pages 93 to 98. I used the digital copy, went one by one of how a living thing needs water, needs food, needs air, and needs space. And then after we were done reading, we did a matching activity where we matched each of these groups and how this hamster needs to survive. So, for example, he's in a ball right now, and this is his shelter. This is where he feels safe and where he can get his food. His food is another way he can survive, and he needs space to grow. He's in a space where he can grow. And then he needs water. This is water. And then he needs air to survive. Then we finish with talking about a video, and this just talked about different ways that animals survive through food, water, air, and space. And that's what we did in science on October 6th, 2020.